Hey guys, I got the camp set up and I'm gonna show you what's up. Alright, got my tarp tied down with this juke twine. One there, one pitched right there. Well, you should see it all. I'm using this giant rock as a table. It's pretty sweet. Kind of like on a little embankment there, a hammock. Inside the hammock, I got my sleeping pad, my sleeping bag, my pillow down there, so I'll be sleeping this way. Right here on this part of the rock, I'm gonna have a fire pit. Nice reflector. It should bounce right off the top of this, punch me right in the face. But yeah, right here's the trees, and it goes right into the pines. The shadowy unforgiveness. Looks pretty creepy. You might be creeped out at night, but it's alright. I got a 12 gauge. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna get doing some shit, and I'll get back to you. Show you what's up. See you later. Hey guys, I would show you how I got my tarp up and stuff. Like, the only thing I can really tell you is right above your hammock, put the ridge line. Everything else is pretty much freaking common sense. For example, I tied that onto the eye hole thing when I went to the tree that it would angle perfectly with, no matter how far it was. I went to it. And then pretty much did that the whole way around. I'm just chilling right now. But it's all common sense. There is no right or wrong. Just fucking tie your tarp up and it will stay up. The campsite rules! I'll see you guys. Hey guys, I'm on the other side of the pond now. I just shot some survival food right there. You see it? Let me try to get a look. Alright, now the tricky part is I gotta go get it. Let's see if I can do that. Alright, dudes. There it is. Thinly chopped. Put it in this bag. Wrap it up. Stick it in the plate. I'm gonna go, there's a little bit of snow down there in the pines. I'm gonna go put a bag full of snow, bring that back. And there's my fridge. See you guys. Alright, hey guys. I'm not cooking it on the fire because I really just don't want to put all that maintenance on the fire and stuff, so I use my stove. Just garlicked this up real nice, salted it up, and cut the geese up into small pieces and threw that in there. I'm just going to let it broil, if that's the right word. But I gotta go up that hill and I'm going to get some more stuff and I'll be back. It's about done, guys. I'm gonna get a bowl ready and I'm gonna chow that down. Alright guys, while I wait for that to cook, I'm gonna start cutting this up in thin slices. I'm gonna bag it up and eat it later. Hey guys, there's the final dish. Looks pretty good. My. Holy shit. That's fucking good. Just falls apart. A little tomato. Guys, this is the fucking best. It's just made my hammock trip that much better. That's real camping, nigga. I'm gonna add some hot sauce to this shit, get it pumping up, and I'm gonna go find something else to do. See you guys. Hey guys, I'm probably, it's pretty early, but I'm probably gonna stop doing videos because I only got a 15-minute capacity. But I'm gonna save that for tomorrow, but I might do some videos tonight, but if not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is morning, and I don't have anything else to film. I'm gonna chill out here, eat, poop, and I'm out of here. So, hope you enjoyed, guys. Peace out.